Good morning, guys. It's 10:03 in the morning. This is my brunch. I cook it, craving for food with soup. Good for a snowy day. Today is snowy day today. And I boiled beef. I put some ham. I put carrots. I put celery, onions, black pepper, salt, banana, banana, so to make the soup a little sweeter. So ground pepper. So this is my brunch, craving for soup. It's called nilaga or lauya, nilaga beef. I will enjoy my dish with soup, vegetables, and meat for this snowy day.